guys! Today we are making Ladybug Yo-Yo because I love Ladybug! Good? Yeah. Okay. So today we're gonna make Ladybug Yo-Yo because she asked me to make Ladybug Yo-Yo and wow.
Here are the materials we need. This is what I plan to make. I want it to open and make it look like close to what it is in the show, but I also want it to work like an actual yo-yo. Disclaimer, I am no professional prop maker. I do this for fun and because Manon asked me to. This is also a not very detailed tutorial because I tend to go autopilot when crafting, so I too don't exactly know what I'm doing. I forgot to film when I made these shells, but it's easy. If you know how to paper mache, then you can make these because that's exactly what I did. Now the yo-yo screen. I found this on Google and I just printed it out. I'm pasting it on a cardboard so it'll be firmer. Now I'm making as many circles as I can from cardboard. 8 to 10 might be enough. Make sure that it is the same size as the shell you made. Now I'm just having everything painted. As you can see, I'm making a hinge out of skewer and straw, so it'll open and close like how a door would open and close. Make sure that your skewer can still rotate in the straw so it'll work. Have the ends of the skewer glued to the other side, but make sure not to glue the straw with the skewer because then it won't work. I'll cut it in half because that's how Ladybug yo-yos look like. Don't worry about the parts that are not painted, we'll have it repainted after we finish the entire thing. Here I'm just making the yo-yo's phone rotate. I just pierced the circle we cut earlier with a metal wire. Pierce 2 of those circles. The one in the middle is the one that rotates. The back part is where you'll glue the metal in place so it won't move. Here I'm just having it sandwiched with another circle so it'll be cleaner looking, no wire sticking out. Now for the other side of the yo-yo, I'm planning on making a small compartment so you can put charms, another miraculous, or your kogatama. As you can see here, I'm trying to make a hinge again, but I'll change it later since it won't work properly for me. I also put a mirror because I feel like it's too plain if I don't add more stuffs in it. Here I did the rotating thing again, just like what I did with the yo-yo screen. And I glued it to the yo-yo shell. As you can see here, I glued the mirror to the other side of the yo-yo and removed the door-like thing since the hinge won't work properly. Still left it as a small compartment. Now we'll have both sides glued to a bottle cap. This is where your string will go later. After that, here's me tying this string to the yo-yo. Then for the final touches, I'll have it repainted. While waiting for it to dry, let's make a charm so you can have something to put in the mini compartment. It'll be easier to make this with clay, but I don't have one right now, and the nearest crafting store I know ran out of clay, so we'll just have to make use of what we have right now. After you make the circle with the glue stick, while it's still hot, tap it on the table as if you're making macaroon shells, so the top part will be more even. Make 2 of those, and once it's dry, you can have it glued together. Place the string in the middle of it so you can have them hang like a keychain or something. Then what I'm doing right now is I'm flattening the sides out, making it smoother with the help of glue gun. Since it's hot and glue gun sticks melts remolds with the use of hot glue gun. After that, you can have it painted with the color you like. Then just put beads on the strings and you're done. She asked me to make it look like a macaroon, so I made it look like a macaroon as much as I can. Back to the yo-yo, here it is. have something like magnets, pins, velcros, or press button glued to the parts that can open, so it is secured and won't open when you yo-yo it. And here it is working. Then she tried it out, only she doesn't know how to yo-yo. She also stood on a stool because I accidentally made the strings a little too long for her. That's all. I hope you had fun making your yo-yo. Make sure to ask an adult to help you with the things you can do, like cutting or other things that can be dangerous. That's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.